No, you shouldn't correct every single mistake the learners make, because it's demotivating for them, especially at the lower level, and also confusing. They might not know which area to work on if you've corrected every single error. So I don't think it's a good idea to correct every mistake your learners make. It's better to think about what's getting in the way of understanding and maybe select the most important 3 or 4 errors for what you want them to work on for that particular piece of work. Which mistakes are important will depend on the level of the learner and their ability to achieve the task that you've set them. So it may be that with lower levels, the important mistakes are the ones that you know they know. So things like present simple, and we'll forget about maybe misspellings of difficult words. But for the higher levels, which mistakes are important will be the ones that are going to help them get a good score if they're aiming to pass an IELTS exam or one of the Cambridge suites of exams. So that's going to be figuring out how to correct the grammar mistakes they've made or the spelling mistakes they've made. So how do I know which mistakes are important is very much going to depend on the level that your learners are at.